This video is created to demonstrate the RESTful API created in Node.js and which is implemented inside the Docker, which is useful for giving the input a shell script and which provides output of that shell script to the user who has requested for the service of this API. Here now I will start the container of the database which I have used, which is MySql database. So our database server has started, and now I will show you that it has started. So here is our container which is created, which is running for 15 seconds now, and the port on which it is running is 3306. Now I will start another container which is of Node.js. So now our Node.js container has also started. Here is our Node.js container which is running from 7 seconds, and it is binded to the local host operating system to the port number 50,000, and it is binded to the port 8081 inside the container. So now we will access that port and upload a file which is a scripting which contains the script inside it of Linux. I will submit a file and it will go to the server of the node container, and it will redirect and it will execute and give the output to the back to the user, and it will also go to the database container which is MySql, and I am not able to completely complete this task because there is a issue in connectivity of the database from the node container. Now I will show you the error which is being shown, and also I will show you the output which is generated of the script. Here the user has requested for the page and posted the file, and here the script has executed successfully. Now it is trying to connect to the database to store the output inside the database, but this is not able to connect to the database successfully. Okay, thank you.